Okay, Bobbi boss, like when they said glueless with this unit, they meant it, honey. No glue needed, no adhesive needed. Everything about their human hair units, you guys, is selling me 100% on Bobbi boss, and like, I don't even know what to say, like, girl.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure out you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Feeling my fate, I'm immersing my sound. Fearing the hate to create the compound. Dealing with clearing the negatives out. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Drop it, you stay, so you know I'm around. Stop where you lay, devastating your ground. Watch what you say while I'm staring you down. Hop on my way, I've been running your town. Drop it, you stay, so you know I'm around. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. Sense of jealousy and hate inside the house. Okay, I'm stepping inside your house, betting I'm kicking my feet on your couch, checking your cushions and clearing you out, setting my dishes up under your spouse, standing your bedding and wearing it out, messing your threading and airing it out. I've been expelling and came here to gouge, letting you sweat your regret with a slouch. Came out the dirty, no Oscar the grouch. I'm disrespecting and spreading my clouds, dreading I'm flexing in front of your spouse, getting you pressed like a fruit by the ounce, testing your patience and stressing you out, vetting your basement and testing your doubt. Rip up your pavement, I'm tearing this down. Give up a statement and smearing you now. Misery loves company, it's not the only one. Energy on enemies will make you come undone. Beat off negativity to remedy their fun. I can sense the jealousy and hate inside the night.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from Bobbi Boss, and it is a human hair unit, honey. So I'm wearing this one in the style MHLF518 Cassidy in the color number natural. So let's just pop it into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get 13 by 4 HD lace. You do also get baby hairs, and it does also come labeled as a 360 unit, which means we do get that lace in the back for additional versatility, so you can go ahead and take full advantage of that if you want to. So let me just come in and show you what this hairline is looking like. I definitely am liking the hairline, you guys. And I did just want to go in and style this one without using any adhesive, just to see if it was true to its word when it says that it's glueless. This does also come with an elastic band, so you do get that additional security, which I feel like is the reason why I'm not needing the adhesives right now. So I feel like that's really good. This unit is definitely on the natural side when it comes to the density. The density is about 130%. I do have all the hair to the front, and as you can see, it's not super full. Even though I do wish there was a little bit more density to it, I definitely get what they were going for with this one, and I'm not mad at it. It doesn't feel thin at the top. I don't feel like I can feel any wefts. I don't feel like there's shorter pieces of hair poking out like I have experience with some of my other human hair units, so I feel like that's really good. The construction on this one feels like it's very well made. The length on this one is super natural. I feel like this is a perfect length if you're looking for something that's just natural all around, density wise and length wise. I'm 5'3" for reference, and this one comes just above my boobs. Also, this color natural, I feel like is very beautiful, you guys. It's super realistic versus a natural black. This, as you guys can, I don't know if you can really see it on camera, but it's definitely giving a mix of brown and like little chocolate pieces going on in here. It's extremely natural. I really like it a lot. It's not just your typical 1B or 2 if you were to compare it to like a synthetic unit. It has like mixes of like browns, dark browns. It's super realistic. I am living for it, you guys. I'm living for the color on this one. So the cap size on this unit is definitely coming off small, medium, and big head friendly. I did adjust the straps a little bit, and I am also using the elastic band as well to secure it down. And I do feel like this cap has a little bit of stretch to it, so I think if you do have a head that's on the larger size, you possibly could get away with wearing this one. So that's why I would qualify it as small, medium, and possibly big head friendly. So it has like a little silkiness to it, but also there's a little yuckiness to it. It feels like if you had your hair relaxed. So I really like the texture. It's just, like I said, a mixture of a light yucky and a silkiness, and I am actually all here for it. And as you guys can see, I did put 2 little curls in the front just to see how it would curl, and I do think it took the heat very well. I know sometimes, depending on the straight units, some of them don't really hold a curl very well, but I feel like this one took it very nicely, and I didn't have the heat on it for that long. I only had the heat on it for a couple seconds, and bam, just like that, it just curled like no problem. So I was here for that. So let's just pop it into the cons and the pros of this unit. Honestly, I have literally no cons with it. Like, there was nothing about this unit that I didn't like. My only partial con would be, just like I said, I do wish it had a little more hair on it, but I do feel like they were going for a natural vibe with this one, and I do think it looks just like the stock card. I just think she has all of her hair to the front. So let's just jump into the pros of this unit. My number one pro with this unit is the fact that, yes, you can wear it glueless, and I feel like that is something that a lot of us are looking for when it comes to these units. I know it can be time consuming just to go and add all these adhesives, get your hair right, and make sure your lace is laying the way that you want it to. I really loved the fact that I didn't need to add any sort of adhesive with this unit. Like I told you guys, all I did was go in with my foaming mousse and swoop down the side baby hairs. But this is also a unit that you don't even need the baby hairs with, girl. Like, you don't even have to if you don't want to. But of course, I don't know, I love my baby hairs, so I just went in and popped them in on the sides. But like I said, you don't need to use them. So I do love the fact that it's glueless. I think the hairline is very nice. The quality of the hair is wonderful. The density, the texture, the color is one of my absolute favorite parts about this unit. It's just very well done. The quality, everything all around, the cap size, you guys, the versatility of it, the fact that you get that 13x4 HD lace parting space. This was definitely super effortless. I would 100% qualify this as an everyday, beginner friendly, definitely unit. This is 100% a throw in and go, lazy girl approved, you guys. I had to put minimal work into this, and I feel like I am absolutely all here for it in every way, shape, and form. Bobbi Boss, you're coming with it. You're coming with it. You're coming with it. I feel like I've had some bad experience with Bobbi Boss, specifically their synthetic units. Some of them are hits, some of them are misses, but the few that I've been trying from their human hair collection, you guys, I'm telling you, they're coming with it. Their elastic bands are very strong, durable. They're thicker than they are with their synthetic units. The quality of the hair is just kind of impeccable. I can't even hold you. Their hair is kind of like impeccable. Their hairline, their baby hairs, their cap construction, everything about their human hair units, you guys, is selling me 100% on Bobbi Boss. And like, I don't even know what to say. Like, girl, Bobbi Boss, like, you may not be putting in as much work with the synthetic units, but I can vouch for it, you are putting it in with the human hair units. So I am all here for it. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units, you want me to pick up any of the colors and any products. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.